In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Wix store checkout settings to enhance your customers' shopping experience. Whether you're new to Wix or a seasoned pro, understanding how to tailor the checkout process to your business needs is crucial. So let's dive into it. First, we begin by navigating to your dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Settings section, then make your way to the checkout. This area is the heart of your transaction process, so it's important to get familiar with it. Now, if you want to adjust some of the information you're collecting during checkout, you'll want to click Edit under the checkout form to customize these fields. This is where you have the flexibility to fine-tune what your customers see and fill out when they're making a purchase. Let's start by editing the default fields. Simply click on a field like email or phone to bring up its settings. Here, you can specify whether you want these fields to be optional or required, which can be particularly useful if you prefer to have the phone number or other information only when absolutely necessary. Next, consider your placeholder text. This is incredibly useful for giving your customers a gentle nudge in the right direction as they fill out their details. Enabling the placeholder text toggle will let you add subtle hints to fields, ensuring your customers have a clear understanding of what's needed. If your business model requires additional information from your customers, such as a company name, you can add new fields by clicking on +Add Fields. This flexibility allows you to pose custom questions or gather extra details that could help tailor your services or products. As we move on to policies, this is a chance to ensure transparency with your customers. Within the checkout settings, you'll find options to customize your return policy, privacy policy, and terms and conditions. It's crucial to have these clearly laid out as they provide your customers with confidence and clarity. Also, don't forget about the contact information. You have the option to add your details so that during the checkout, customers can easily reach out if they have any questions. These contact details will appear as a clickable link, which increases accessibility. For those keen on keeping their customers informed, the Order Email section offers customization of automated emails. You can edit these emails for order confirmations or shipping notifications, ensuring that your communication is not only professional, but also personal and tailored to your brand. Finally, let's talk about the cart page and the Add to Cart button. To customize these, go to the cart page in the Wix editor. When you click the cart element, the Settings tab will offer you design options. Here, you can tweak text colors, fonts, and alignment for various elements to ensure a cohesive and visually appealing customer experience. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of customizing your checkout settings in Wix, setting you up for smoother transactions and improved customer satisfaction.